Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to tell you all about the FunWater paddleboard.
I was sent this paddleboard for free in exchange for my review. Once I got it unboxed, I unrolled the paddleboard on my floor to get a good look at it.
This paddleboard comes with everything you need, including the pump to inflate it, a leash for your ankle, and a waterproof phone case.
The instructions are simple and easy to read. To prepare the paddle, I selected my height in inches on the top part, and I used this simple lever to put it on 72 inches. Once I locked it into place, I was ready to go. Putting the paddle on the end of the handle was easy because it was just a hole and notch style design. Once I lined that up and clicked it in, it was secured.
If you want to have a paddle on both ends for the kayak function, you use the same lock system to secure it.
For inflation, I'm going to attach the hose here, and then the PSI meter should read between 12 and 15 PSI.
The other end locks into the paddleboard nozzle.
In real time, it took me 3 minutes to inflate this paddleboard. Once I was done, I removed the hose and replaced the cap. Now I'm going to show you the seat accessory. It attaches with 4 carabiners so you can use this paddleboard as a kayak.
The middle of the board is covered with non-slip material, so when you're standing, you're less likely to fall.
The last piece of assembly was the fins, and once I was by the water, I slid those into place effortlessly. Here's a look at me using the paddleboard as a kayak with a double-ended paddle. And now here I am standing up. I've switched out my paddle handle and I'm using a traditional paddleboard style. To deflate the paddleboard, all I need to do is press this button and the air starts whooshing out.
The board comes with this backpack that fits the board deflated and all the accessories.
In summary, I was really impressed with this paddleboard. I love the colors, assembly was easy, and my daughter fits on with me. Happy paddling!